Okay, so this is a quick review of an air compressor. The one that I picked up here in Southeast Asia is a brand named Total. 2.5 horsepower, 50 liter. It has 2 outlets, one with a controlled valve for the air pressure. And this is an engine that requires oil, which are supposed to be the more rugged versions. I paid less than $200 for it, and I bought 30 meters of line, which is about 100 feet. I picked up some various tools. Here is a engine degreaser, which is awesome, by the way, and I'm just geeking out on this. This right here is basically the same thing as having a whole selection of cans at the auto store, but with unlimited usage. You see, when you go to the auto store and you buy something like carburetor cleaner or brake cleaner, all that is either acetone under pressure of air or alcohol under air pressure, and all you have is just a tiny little limited amount in that tiny can, and you pay like $6 or $7. But here, your options are endless. I can fill this up with diesel, which is a great solvent, or gasoline, which is a great solvent. I can put acetone in there and have an endless usage of it, and I'll buy it by the liter, which is much more economical, and it's under much more pressure with this as well, and you have more adjustments on it, and it's just a wonderful tool to have. I'm loving it during this process of preparation for my marine diesel Yanmar engine. And I bought this engine, this compressor, so that I can speed up on my restoration project. I have a 38-foot Swedish built boat, sloop rigged yacht that I'm going kind of slow. I got 2 guys working every day, but nevertheless progress is going by painfully slow, and they're sanding and sanding and sanding. I'm over there helping them, but I realized no, we need some help. We need some air tools, pneumatic tools. So I bought the air compressor, and I got orbital hand sanders, I got a grinder, and I got some of these tools. But I'm just loving the air compressor, the pneumatic air compressor experience. It's a must-have. It's not that expensive. You just got to have it in your shed, your garage. And so yeah, I just want to share that with the world. Cheers.